So we're going to probably use the extender forks on this. We're going to try to at least, because it's definitely not going to work very well with these little ones. If we have to, we're going to make it work. If not, I'm going to have to figure it out and try to get these. Probably rent this forklift for another 2 days or another day just to try to get this thing together. But other than that, what I'm going to do now is we're going to remove the flywheel and the what do you call it, and the little clutch plate system here and see how heavy this shit is. How bad is this really going to be to do? And do I need a special tool to do this? Because it's going to suck. I was looking for help, but yeah, that won't work. Ready?
Oh shit.
Done.
Saving it for the
Don't block the camera, dummy.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. All that. It's heavy. Tremendously heavy? I don't think so. You just go grab one side of it.
Well, I just want to put this on the stump.
Clutch your gun this one.
What?
Clutch your gun this one. Yeah. Alright, so we might not remove this flywheel. The flywheel might be good to use. I'm going to do some research and see what they say online. But we might not actually have to remove this flywheel. So I might have to put the bolts back in. But other than that, I don't know how the hell we're getting ours back on. But getting ours back on, I don't know, or clutch system on that engine, but see what happens, see how that one looks. You might have to buy a new one. But yeah, so far we got this stuff off. I may just throw these bolts back in real quick, not tighten them, but just throw them back in, and then yeah, go from there and see what happens. And gotta go get some stuff, gotta go pick up some of this thing, a couple other things, and yeah, so see what happens, let's see how this day goes. Hopefully it's the engine coming out, engine going in, not a whole excavate of things. So hopefully. All right guys, so we bought this piece of metal here. We gotta chop this in half. This is what's gonna go basically like right across, like, so the forks are right here. This is gonna go right across here to stop the motor from, hopefully, from sliding off. So hopefully that will work that way. We're probably gonna MIG weld it or arc weld it. Not quite sure yet. Maybe TIG. Probably not TIG, but we'll see how it goes. See what happens when we get there. But first, I gotta go find grinders and things like that. Clean this metal up, get to welding it, and then to get outside. And definitely, we got only so much time to do this, so we gotta do this quick. Alright, so we're about an inch off probably each side, so but it's okay. We'll just have to clean this up now and be good. definitely some of the best welding I've done for a long time. I love this machine so far. Chinese machine, but works really good. Look at that. I'm actually pretty proud of that. So I'm gonna just cool off and then we'll get outside and get to work. Alright guys, so listen, this is 2 days after that last video you just saw, or that video clip. We do have the engine out. I did try to record it. I had the GoPro set up and everything, and it was just too cold for the GoPro. The GoPro kept turning off. I guess I'm assuming because it was too cold out. And there's another reason I can think of why I would do it. But got the engine out. As you see, there's a big giant ass transmission back there. Only issue we had was the forklift things kept bending a little bit, which, you know, no biggie, whatever. I got it out. But definitely get some solid forks next time when we do it. But other than that, here's the engine, guys. There's the clutch we gotta get off. I gotta get this thing covered up so that we get I gotta get a special tool to get this thing off because that thing is heavier than anything. Yeah, so this engine we're just to take apart more. We're actually gonna do a thing with the Milwaukee and see if the Milwaukee can actually take off the head bolts of that thing, because they're like apparently it's like super tight. So we're gonna see if we can get it off and see if it can do it. So a couple things we're gonna do with this motor for it actually goes bye-bye to the junkyard. And then other than that, next couple videos are gonna be more about that car and Rango. And then also the F-150, which the F-150 is gonna be more replacing a whole front suspension on it. So that's be a whole how-to video I'm gonna try to do for that probably. But other than that, guys, listen, I'm not gonna prolong the video any longer. I'm sure it's probably long already. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes for our dreams. Do anything in your way. I'll see you guys next one.